Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I am going to share with you methi recipe with three different chutney. It's a unique style, quick and healthy recipe. For making this recipe, I have taken small bunch of fenugreek leaves along with some soft stem and 2 tablespoon yellow lentil. Soak for about 15 minutes. Next, turn on the heat. Place a kadai. Pour a tablespoon oil. Add few cumin seed and some chopped green chili along with half-inch grated ginger and 2 tablespoon curd. Beat all the ingredient well. Turn to low heat and keep stirring until oil separate. See, the oil is separated. Add the fenugreek leaves and half a teaspoon salt. Add salt according to your taste. Next, put a lid, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Next, I am going to add three different chutney. One is dry coconut chutney, other is groundnut chutney, and the third one is homemade garlic chutney with roasted peanut. After 5 minutes, take off the lid, give a good mix. Well, combine the fenugreek leaves with the yellow gram. Add a tablespoon dry coconut chutney. Next, add a tablespoon groundnut chutney and 2 tablespoon homemade peanut garlic chutney. Cover and simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, take off the lid, give a good mix. Friends, if you don't have the ready-made groundnut and dry coconut chutney, you can make only with homemade garlic peanut chutney. Cook until dal is well cooked and soft. It's a very healthy and nutritious recipe. You can give it to your kids' school tiffin box. Friends, see, moong dal is well cooked. Our recipe is done. It pairs well with chapati or bhakri roti. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.